Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Jane's Agenda sub box, and I am already loving the box itself. It is so pretty. This color combination is just amazing. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is just so beautiful. I love the outline of the florals, like they're not shading in, they're just outlined. So hopefully that's something that's included in here. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box, and I can already tell that things are wanting to come out. And look at this, the pattern is over here as well. So just a beautiful box itself. Let's get rid of that so we can get right into this. Oh my gosh, it is already looking way too cute. Actually, let's just do that instead. Okay, so we have this little journaling card, and it just says what is included in this deluxe subscription box. And so it gives us a little tour, and so I'm just gonna put that off to the side so I can go ahead and reference the items. Okay, so look at this. So let's take a look at this. What? Oh wow, look at this glass nail file. Of course, I love doing my nails, so this is actually gonna come in handy. Wow, this is beautiful. And look at the case. Okay, this is gonna come in handy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use that one. And then we have a highlighter. Is that what it is? Yes, it is cool. The cool pastel turquoise color. So let's see. Oh, there we go. So pretty. Yeah, I love this. This is such a beautiful color because look, it goes into these sticky notes as well. So like a page flag and some sticky notes. This is such a beautiful color. I really, really like that. So then we have Hello Gorgeous. So let's see. Let's get in here and see exactly what this is. Oh, so this is going to be a mirror decal. Okay. This is going to be really great. Isn't that just so cute? Like, just the things that they think about adding in these sub boxes is perfect. Something so nice and simple that you can put in your mirror and look at it every single day as you're getting ready for the day. This is such a great idea. Okay, so look at this. We have that same color in this page finder. So it is translucent, and it's an Audrey Hepburn quote. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. Isn't that just so pretty? Like, I am already loving all of this teal color. It's so pretty. And so then we have some quote cards. So, leading lady, and let's do what we love and do a lot of it. Marc Jacobs. So love how neutral they are. Nice and white with black. Cannot go wrong with these colors. So these are going to be perfect to add to any of our planners. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's see. We have, I believe these are going to be dashboards. Wow, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So we have this one here, and then this one. I love the feel of these, and they are double-sided as well. Wow, the amount of layering that would look so pretty with this. I am already like trying to think of everything that I could layer it with. So let's put that off to the side, because then we're gonna have these little dashboards as well. Okay, let's see. So this one is vellum. So just a perfect little design of a woman, and then some animal print right there. And so we have this one. To make living itself an art, that is the goal. Henry Miller. It's nice and simple. So 52 weeks 2. And I believe this one says minimal dashboard. 52 weeks 2 blank bingo. So that's exactly what it says on the tour card. So nice and simple, but look at this. This is the layering that I'm talking about. So pretty. Okay, so we have these beautiful dashboards, and let's see what we have here. Okay, so I love that Jane's Agenda sub box includes like inserts. And this one is, let's just get into it. Okay, so look at this vellum. Now is the time for Guts and Gil. Elizabeth Taylor. So a January little dashboard, because then we have like the calendar here and then the monthly view in the back. Okay, so I love that it's dated. We have a little bit of space down here for maybe notes for the month. And then I believe it's just going to keep repeating itself. Yes. So month on one page. So isn't this just perfect to like add 20 of your current planners? This is really cute. I like it. No color, no design whatsoever, which is typical of Jane's Agenda's inserts and just all of the things. Love how clean everything is from her. So I love these right here. And then let's see, this is going to be a paycheck budget monthly savings. So let's see what this is about. So we have financial goals. You'll list your goal and then check it off. And so we would put the month and the year. Then we have debt, credit card and loans, creditor, due date, previous month's balance, added to balance, amount paid off, and remaining balance. Then we have sinking funds, things to save up for. So category, total needed, needed by, added this month, total saved and used funds. And then we have additional savings, emergency / retirement. So account, starting balance, added, withdrawn, and ending balance. And then we have lined in the back, and then I believe we do it all over again. So probably 12 of these. So 2, 3, hold on. It just ended up changing. Okay, let's see. So yeah, so the first 3 are going to be the same. So then this one, it says paycheck budget, and then paycheck date, income source, planned and actual, and then fixed bills. So you have your bill, the date, planned and actual, and then variables. So gasoline, food, etc. So category, planned, and then actual. And then we have savings plan, what to do with remaining income. So allocation, pay down debt, sinking funds, savings, and then planned and actual. And then we have that on both sides of the page. Okay. Okay, so I believe that's the rest of the pages. So this is perfect for anyone that budgets. I am the worst at budgeting, so I don't know, maybe one day I will get into it and these will come in handy. So let's see, look at this beautiful cover. Okay, this is going to be amazing to start off 2023. So this is gold foil, and it says the best is yet to come. and it's printed on both the front and the back cover. Isn't that just super cute and simple? Yeah, I love that. Let's kind of do some layering and see how it would look, because I am all about my layering. Actually, this goes right there. And where is she? Okay, so I was looking at this one. And then here is this. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Could we maybe do this here too? Yeah, you see the possibilities are just endless. And this is what I love, that we can layer and layer and layer, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I love this cover. I already know what I want to do with this, so stick around and see how I use these items. So there's that, and then, oh, let's see what this is. So is this the premium travel folio? Ooh, lush vegan leather and dust cover. Okay, so this dust cover, perfection. And I don't even know what's in the inside. So, oh, wow. Wow, this is amazing. You guys, the quality of Jane's Agenda's things are just absolutely top notch. Everything is great quality, and this is no different. Oh, wow. Look at this. So we have some slots here, like for credit cards. And look at this. Oh, yeah. This is way too cute. Maybe some little items. Yeah, that would be cute, right? And then just kind of take it on the go with you. This is so beautiful. And I also love the dust cover. This, oh my gosh. If you guys are not subscribed to her sub box, you guys are missing out. Everything is always so gorgeous and so well thought out, and the quality, it is just there. I am telling you guys, this is amazing. This vegan leather, wow, wow, so cute. The texture is just so nice as well. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to start using all of these items. So we have the dust cover with the vegan leather travel folio. We have this cover, the best is yet to come. And then we have vellum and dashboards of all sorts. They are just so pretty. And then we do have these planner inserts for your paycheck budget and monthly savings. And then we do have these month on one page inserts for 2023. And then we do have some quote cards. And then we have the page finder. We have the mirror decal. We have the page flag and sticky notes. And then we have the highlighter and the nail file as well. Everything just so amazing. I seriously cannot wait to start playing around with these items and use some of them to finish setting up some of my planners. So stay tuned for that. I look forward to using all of these items. Everything is just so gorgeous and just top notch. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.